Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the slip puff stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, and be familiar with the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an odd number of chains. I have already made 21 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We're going to start making a puff stitch into our first stitch. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, take that through all 5 loops to complete that puff stitch. Now into the next stitch, you're going to make a slip stitch. Now we're going to make another puff stitch, and we're going to start by working it into this stitch that we just made our slip stitch into. Yarn over your hook. Insert your hook into the stitch we were just working into where we made our slip stitch. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over. You're now going to continue that puff stitch into the next stitch. Insert your hook into that next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over. You'll have 5 loops. You're going to take this yarn through all 5 loops to complete that puff stitch. And that's going to be how to make the slip puff stitch. It's worked into these 2 stitches, working the slip stitch and then that puff stitch. So again, into this next stitch, you're going to slip stitch. And then we're going to start making our puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch we were just working into where we made our slip stitch. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 5 loops. Yarn over, take that through all 5 loops to complete that stitch. You're now going to continue making this slip puff stitch for the rest of your row. When you get to the last stitch of your row, you're simply going to work a slip stitch alone into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to be making 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the slip puff stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.